Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see stitch of the week. In this stitch we mostly use double crochet and shell stitch. It's a very easy and simple pattern to follow. Let's start our video. I have used 4mm hook and normal decay yarn. Begin with split knot. If you are new to this channel, please check out the basic crochet stitches I have teached before in my channel. I'm using multiples of 13. I'm going to chain 28. If you want, you can crochet more chains as per your desired project length, but use multiples of 13. After 28 chain, crochet 2 more chain extra. From here skip 2 chain, insert the hook on the third chain from hook. From here we are going to begin row 1. Insert the hook on the third chain. Pull a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Now yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Again yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. We got our first double crochet. Like this double crochet we are going to do all over this 28 chains. On each and every chain we are going to do double crochet stitch all over this row 1. Done with our double crochet stitches. Now we are going to begin our row 2, chain 3. This chain 3 indicates as double crochet stitch. Turn over. From here we are going to do one single crochet on next 4 stitches. Insert the hook. Look how I am inserting my hook over the stitch. Yarn over, pull a loop. Yarn over, pull through first, yarn over, pull through first. Now we have 2 double crochet stitch including the 3 chain. We did our 5 double crochet stitch including chain 3. Now from here skip 2 stitches, insert the hook on the third stitch, yarn over, pull loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loop. We got our first double crochet stitch. Again insert the hook on the same stitch and do 4 more double crochet stitches on that same stitch. We are doing our shell stitch, crocheting 5 double crochet together on same stitch known as shell stitch. Done with our shell stitch. From here do chain 2. Now skip 4 stitches from shell stitch. Insert the hook on the 5th stitch and do 1 double crochet stitch on next 5 stitches. From here 1 double crochet stitch. Now again insert the hook on the next double crochet stitch and do another double crochet stitch over it. Like this do 5 double crochet stitches on next. We done 5 double crochet stitch. From here skip 2 stitches, insert the hook on the third chain and do shell stitch. 5 double crochet stitches on the same stitch. After the shell stitch, chain 2, skip 4 stitches, insert the hook on the 5th stitch and do 1 double crochet on next 5 stitches. Like this we have completed our row 2. That's it. Now row 3. Chain 3. This chain 3 indicate as double crochet stitch. Now do 1 double crochet over this 4 double crochet stitches. Now we have 5 double crochet stitch. From here inside the hook on the first double crochet stitch of the shell stitch. Now here we have first double crochet stitch, inside the hook here and do 5 double crochet stitches on the same stitch. That means we are going to do shell stitch on this first double crochet stitch of previous shell stitch. After shell stitch, do chain 2. Now insert the hook on the double crochet stitch and do 1 double crochet stitch on the next 5 stitches. After double crochet stitches, insert the hook on the first double crochet stitch of shell stitch and do 5 double crochet stitch on the same stitch. After shell stitch, chain 2, insert the hook on the double crochet stitch and do 1 double crochet on next 5 double crochet stitches. That's it, we are done with our row 3. We are going to repeat this row 3 all over our decide project. Chain 3 indicate as double crochet stitch. Now do 1 double crochet on next 4 stitches. We are going to repeat our row 3. Five double crochet stitches. After this, insert the hook on the first double crochet of shell stitch and do 5 double crochet on the same stitch. After shell stitch, chain 2, inside the hook on double crochet stitch and do 1 double crochet each on next 5 stitches. After double crochet stitches, insert the hook on the first double crochet stitch of shell stitch and do 5 double crochet stitches on the same stitch. After shell stitch, do chain 2, inside the hook double crochet stitch and do 1 double crochet on next 5 stitches. That's it. Like this we're going to repeat all over our project. Now I will tell you how to fasten off our yarn. After completing your project, do chain 1, leave some yarn and cut the yarn, pull this yarn out and pull this chain downwards. That's it, we got our secure knot. That's all. Just for showing you, I have done small row. If you want, you can also do large project just by repeating row 3. Make sure the step of row 2, note carefully every single steps, how many stitches are skipped on the row 2, where we want to insert our hook, where we want to do our stitch, note and every single steps on row 2. That's it. After that we will continue row 3 all over our desired project. You can also use this pattern for crocheting sweater, bonnet or any scarf or anything else. Just make sure of chains, do multiples of 13 and do your chains and do whatever pattern you want. It's a very simple and easy pattern to follow. Just we want to repeat row 3 all over our project. Make sure of row 2. After that it will be very easy. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any kind of doubt, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.